So I'm going to go ahead and make those ahead of time so they can be ready when it's time to start his hair. He's only getting the top done, so most full heads are going to take a lot more locks. But the beauty of this machine is that it takes something that normally takes hours and condenses it into a couple of minutes. Like, watch how fast I make these locks. The last time I did a full head Insta-lock, which is essentially what this tool does, it took me 10 hours. Now, granted, her hair was like 30 inches, but still, this machine is going to cut that in half easily. As you can see, I use a crochet hook to get the hair into the hole, and then it's really just a slow back and forth movement until the hair feels sturdy and looks like a lock. And I leave a poof of hair loose on the end because that's the hair I'll need to attach to the client's hair. So the machine is metal, so it has a little weight to it, but it's not heavy. Like, you can feel it. It's sturdy. It's solid. But it's not too heavy, which is great.